Brittany, I need you to take the van and come and get me in like 30 minutes.
We can't. We're under. I'm not yet.
The keys should be laying there somewhere. You think you can make it?
Yeah. Actually, yes. Where? I'm not even kidding. Where? It's your van, not mine.
79th Avenue and Bell.
Are you serious?
Make a left on 67th Avenue.
Serious.
Go to Bell Road and make a left. And make a right on 79th.
I think he needs mom. Mom's not here. Is she like sleeping? Tell me the address. Mom's not here.
No shit, Cosette.
Oh. Wait, we really can come? Seriously.
Too expensive for me to take the cab home. I need you to come pick me up.
Oh my God, she's serious. Okay. Seriously though. There's no word.
Yes, seriously. I need you to leave. I need to be picked up in like 30 minutes.
I'm serious. I'm gonna go. Danny taught me how to drive. I'm not kidding. I'm not.
You better be careful.
I am. I'm actually.
I'm serious, Brittany. If you get caught.
Okay, I'm actually no. So when I do it and I can't get in trouble.
Just be careful and do what you're supposed to be doing, and you won't get in trouble.
Okay. Can you? I'm gonna ask on how to get there.
I just told you how.
Well, I didn't write down.
Make a left on 67th Avenue.
Okay.
At the light.
Alright. So now you make a left.
Go to Bell Road, which is the next main light, and make a left.
Okay.
And then keep going down Bell Road until you get to 79th Avenue. And make a right.
Wait. Then right.
And it's your first right after the apartment complex.
Okay. First right. APT. Okay. Wait, are you actually serious?
It's either that or I'm walking home because I don't have enough for a cab to get home.
Okay, so I'm serious not gonna be in trouble when I actually do it. Why can't we just... Okay, I'm doing it. Not in trouble.
You know where the keys are?
Okay, what?
You know where the keys are. They should be there on the counter somewhere.
Alright, I'll look for them. Me and Daniel were for hours on it. I love you. Wait, what if we go to jail? Oh, found him. Uncle Corey, what if we go to jail? Here.
What?
What if we go to jail?